In this video, we're talking about sample proportions and standard error of the proportion. The first part of the lesson is going to be finding sample proportions, and then there'll be another video on standard error of the proportion. The sample size, you need the sample size and the number of favorable outcomes to find the sample proportion. So the sample size is just how many units are in your sample. So if you have a sample of 25 people, that would be your n. The lowercase n always in statistics represents sample size. And then you've heard this term before, variable of interest or favorable outcomes. X, lowercase x, represents the number of favorable outcomes. So in this case, the sample proportion, which we use this symbol p hat, we say it p hat, is x divided by n. Okay, so in an example, which I already wrote it out, you've got a sample of 488 townspeople, and 336 of them responded in support. So your x, your favorable outcomes, was 336, and your n was 480. When you divide that, you get 0.7. Okay, so go ahead and stop the video and do the try it, and then come back. In this case, your two numbers that you had right here were x and n. Well, how do you know which one is n? Well, the sample size is how many people responded, right? And x is how many people preferred math. So your p hat is just 213 divided by 423. And when you put that in your calculator, that rounds to about 0.5.